Good morning. It is sunny Sunday for the time being. Might rain later on. We're back again for another ride. It'll be quick. I'm going to get a haircut. I'm gonna go get faded. And not the Urban Dictionary faded. I'm gonna go get my hair faded. So trying to get there right as they open so I can be in and out. And be done with it. Hope everybody's enjoying their Sunday. Sunday fun day. Sunday run day. Maybe we'll stop in Best Buy too to see if they have, see what GoPro stuff they have. It's nice and chill right now. Oh, I can see the green arrow from here. I'm never gonna make it. So I've uploaded a couple more videos and I'm starting to get the basics down from the video editor app on Microsoft Windows. And I even played around with some time-lapse stuff. So I'm learning. There we go. Yeah. There is no shade over here whatsoever. My bike is gonna be hot. And there's already a couple people here waiting. That's how it was last time. It was crazy. I think I'm gonna go around back. You don't need a haircut, dude. Come on, bro. Find a little bit of shade to put this thing in. There we go. Hopefully it doesn't tip over. It shouldn't. New Star Beezy's going up over here. Sucks, I gotta wear a mask. Alright, till we get out. All right, a little rough. Hurt my head. And there was no shade for my bike. The tree was deceivingly deceptive. Of providing shade for my bike. Oh well. Got a fresh fade. Man, that hurt. Usually I enjoy getting my hair cut, but oh man, that was rough. Jerking my head around, scratching my forehead with the scissors. I'm gonna see if I can walk in here with just my helmet as a face covering. Don't hurt your back, old man. That's an old computer. What's going on?
Did you need help today or just browsing?
Just browsing.
Come on in. If you do need help, though, come back and let me know so I can get you queued up.
Okay. And looks like it's about the same. Barely any GoPro stuff. That's 30 bucks at Target, and they want 40 for it here. Max Smooth, Hyper Smooth. Why are they so out of stock? Maybe Best Buy's going out of business. Well, that was a bust. They make stuff so expensive in here. That's my mask. Let's get out of here. I do like going fast. You know, my first ticket was a speeding ticket. I haven't slowed down since, I don't think. I just like riding and driving fast. I should have been a race car driver. Should have been a race car driver. Not a NASCAR driver. All they do is go in a circle. And I'm not saying that's not easy, because it definitely is technical. Gravel for them to do what they do. But I would just get bored going in a circle 200 sometimes. That's all. I know they go like 200 miles per hour, but I would want to do something like IndyCar racing or derby racing, motocross, supercross. I mean, not a NASCAR racer, a race car driver. Oh, nice. Ooh, brake light. Got a brake light out. I've seen a lot of Mustangs around here. People have a thing for Mustangs. I'm a Camaro or Challenger or Charger guy. My first car was a Camaro. It was my uncle's. I flipped it. Yep, I was in high school. Being a little daredevil. I was going to my buddy's house. I had spent the night at my buddy's house, and when I left, when I was leaving his house, he had this portion of road that was a bridge, and like I said, my first ticket was speeding, so I was going a little fast. And I jumped the bridge, and I thought it was cool. So on my way back, I was like, I'm gonna jump this bridge again. Well, my mistake was this. So leaving from his house and going over that bridge, it is a straight road. Going to his house, once you get over that bridge, the road curves. And I floored it and I jumped that bridge, but as soon as I landed, I was heading for the wood line. So naturally, I overcorrected myself and ended up twisting the car and it flipping over into the woods. Thank God I did not get hurt. My only injury was a scratch on the leg that I received from a briar walking out of the woods. Ran up to some random house and asked to use their phone so I could call 911, and I feel bad for wrecking it. It was a nice car and I was gonna give it back to him. Oh man, I thought I made it. That's twice now that you've caught me on camera. Usually I'm pretty good about that. What's up, dude? Motorcycles aren't made to be stuck in traffic. It's the convenience of having two wheels.